Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have this Folio album flip through to show you guys, and this was so fun to make using up like leftover scrappies that I had. So I kind of made this folio to fit my scraps instead of making a base first and then trying to make my scraps fit, if that makes any sense. But I did film a video. There's two parts. So there's a part 1 and a part 2 on how I made this folio album. So there will be links down below onto where you could check those out if you haven't done so already, and to check them out once they're posted. But the links will be there, so you could click on them, and whenever they're posted, they'll be there. So all right, let me show you this flip through. So this album measures 9 3/4 by 4 3/4. It is like a slim kind of folio album. I don't know, am I supposed to call this an album or a folio? I don't know. But I did do stitching around the covers. I always love to do my stitching around the covers and the spine and everything. I love this paper so much. And then here's the back side with my little logo. There's a seam binding tie closure, and I'll have the seam binding shop link down below. I use their seam binding for everything. So let me untie that, but here is the front cover. This is how I decorated it. It says bunny kisses and Easter wishes. I think it's so cute. There's a doily back there. There's some lace trim. There's some flowers and some pearls. And I think it just adds to the whole entire album, and it looks adorable. Oh, and I also added some of like these gold leafy things, and those are actually from Dollar Tree. I just cut them up. And this is also available for purchase, if it is still available at the time of posting this video, because I do try to sell everything on Instagram first before it comes here. If it's still available, I will have a link to it down below. Otherwise, it'll say sold. But stay tuned, and now I'll show you the inside. So when you open this up, this is what it looks like. So here on this side, on the top pocket here, you have a journal. So I made a cute little journal just like this. There's a pocket here, there's some vellum, and this right here, this is a blue dyed paper that I made myself. So there's some blue dyed paper here. There's a scrappy like that I included in here, but you could do some journaling on there as well. There's another page. Here's a doily. And then the middle section says Easter. And it's a cute little like journaling thing where you could add photos or whatnot. So cute, isn't it? And I love the blue dyed paper. It just fit perfectly. So that's a little journal that lives in this top pocket right here. So let's just put that back in there. Then the second pocket, this is a triple pocket. So the second pocket has 2 tags that just look like this. So I was just using up some more scraps, and I have more seam binding there. So those live in here. You could add, journaling on there. Then this last pocket down here has another tag. So that looks like that. And then you have a journal spot card that I made. So it says basket full of fun. I paper pieced patterns of paper together, and then I just put a white insert on the inside. So that lives in this last pocket right there. Super cute, right? So then here you have this waterfall closure, and you just pull on the ribbon and it unties it. Here I attached a little bunny with these cute little charms. It's a paper clip. But you flip this open and it is a waterfall. So you could add journaling or photos. So you just keep going. You got lots of space here for photos and for journaling. Yeah, I think there's like 10 of these panels or something like that. And this is the last one. So that's what that looks like. And then you would tie this back up or whatnot. Let me just do that. Okay, and then this piece also opens up, and you have another inside right here. So here you have a little tuck spot where I have a journaling card, and then another like cut apart, but you could journal on both sides on the back. So that's that, and that fits into this little tuck spot that I have right here. And then here's just another page where you could do some more journaling and add some photos. So that is everything for this quick little folio. Stay tuned for part 1 and part 2, or check out the links down below. And that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.